too tired for this game. Like in real life, I'm
Yo, my friend just got cut off.
by a Tesla.
I'll deal with the Tesla for you, Kian.
Philip, you just crashed into it.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Philip, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh shit!
Philip, you just caused me to crash.
Oh wait, I'm in the wrong lane. Oops.
Wait.
I'm going a little over the speed limit, but that's okay.
We have to yield, guys. That's what the sign says.
No, it doesn't mean.
Are you sure? Are you
Yes,
sure
it does. You come to a. Okay. What was that? What was that?
Yield doesn't mean stop.
No, it.
Hey King, guess what?
Hey.
Yo, you just hit Rory.
Oh.
You just.
Yo. Do.
Roy, how far
You're a
behind?
good driver, and you're gonna get cooked, okay?
I'll catch up eventually.
Oh!
Someone just went over the entire barrier.
How did I do that?
Just take him out. Just
I might not be able to catch up to him though.
leave him for dead.
My engine is actually
I'm
total
blocking
here.
Roy. I'm blocking Roy. The defense. The
Balls
defense.
right
The
as soon
defense.
as you get up
Defense.
there.
Defense. Oh. Oh.
Total.
Oh.
Pull him.
Oh.
God.
Oh. Ah! What? Ah! I just said flying. Oh. Oh my goodness! I'm still going. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the highway.
What did I just witness?
Oh no.
Get that on camera.
Of course.
And then kill them.
Why are you slowing down, Roy? Oh.
Yo, why are you guys so far ahead? Slow down.
This is a security checkpoint.
What happened?
Give me
What
your
happened?
registration.
I may have just slammed it like 9. I don't even know how fast I was going. I slowed down a little.
There was a security check and you had to stop really quickly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hold on,
And-
just wait
and
up there, wait up.
Philip went 50 kilometers an hour.
Just
into-
wait there. I'm catching up.
Oh, okay.
Are you gonna block?
I'm gonna get arrested. I'm about to get arrested.
What are you
my
doing,
God.
Philip? You ran into me. What was that?
I witnessed an accident.
Wait, that wasn't Philip.
No,
Who was
that
that?
was not me.
Okay, that was your.
What happened? What just happened?
There's a slight issue involving
You just killed my friend.
3 truck pileups.
I have no idea why.
Okay, guys, we gotta line up all 4 containers.
What?
Okay, what is this?
Why'd that
trailer?
trailer just get sent flying?
What?
Look at my screen share.
What?
I can't.
These traffic people
Holy
are insane. What is
What
this?
just happened? What just happened? Wait,
What happened?
hold up.
The
He passed
ability
me.
to-
He actually passed me.
I take
Oh,
it back.
Philip,
guys. I'm
Philip,
good
you might
with
want
the
to
right side.
pick a lane. You might- Why would you?
God.
Philip, I'm taking up both lanes, guys. If you do this,
Oh, that's really not good.
did we make it close enough to Southampton?
I need to use my geometrical.
Geometrical.
Actually, we have to get off, and you guys are.
Wait, what if you just take the
Oh,
off
it's a
ramp
car!
and then just turn left?
Oh, I didn't hit him.
Just like don't take on.
That's a bus with 300 kilometers. What?
What happened?
What just happened?
Okay.
Act like an angel, just like crazy. Oh, the girls like feeling. Oh, the girls like feeling. Oh, the girls like feeling. Oh, the girls. Act like an angel, just like crazy.